Plantation in Pakistan for the sake of growing Pakistan. Although Pakistanis plant trees, but there is no maintenance. The dream of green Pakistan can only come true when all segments of society will join hands. Pakistan has only 5% area under forest. The Chinese, after suffering greatly, and this town began plantation in 1957. Then Great Green Wall, extending 1.6 acres, serves as a barrier against Gobi Desert. This is an eye-opener for Pakistan. Pine tree saplings are being brought to Islamabad for making its city of pines. Forest Department is doing its best to spread greenery. There have been competition between Pakistan and India in sports, but a competition in the field of environment is ever healthier. Since Forest Department has set a Guinness World Record by planting maximum mangrove at Keti Bandar.